The OralB IO6 series electric toothbrush. Let's jump into the details. Pros and cons. There is a major con about this, in my opinion, and I'll show you right now. So you see how bright this ring is? This ring flashes while you're charging it. So when it's on the dock, it just goes vroom. So if your bed can see into your bathroom at night and you don't have the door closed, you don't have a way of shutting, the door near your bathroom. Oh, geez, blind. That light will illuminate on and off while it's on the charger, and it makes, I don't know, I'm sensitive to light. It makes it seem like a night light's just going on and off in your bathroom, and if you have really low light bedroom, that light will annoy the hell out of you if you're trying to go to sleep. So that's a huge con. I wish you could shut that ring light off completely while it's charging, or all the time if you want to, if you're trying to be more covert. But you can't do that. So that light is quite annoying, and it's just, I don't know, that's a big con in my opinion, because I'm light sensitive and it annoys the heck out of me. So first and foremost, the biggest difference with the IO Series 6 is you're getting a digital display now. This shows your battery life, it shows you your settings, it shows your modes. It even has a sad face when you do not brush long enough. And if you brush enough, it gives you a winky face and a smile and lets you know. So these are the type of things you're getting with the IO6 series of OralB toothbrushes and above. You're getting a lot of digital help. You're getting a lot of fancy schmancy things in your toothbrush. And if you have money burning a hole in your pocket, then go for it. This thing's fantastic. It is a lot quieter than most. Nice, perfect hum. The settings are all over the place. I won't go through each one, but it's intense, and there's whitening, and then there's gum cleaning, and then there's like 3 other ones, and I think they're all snake oil in my opinion. So I think it's a con. I think OralB gets too overzealous with how they state that there's so many different settings on these toothbrushes, and it gives you so much better clean in different ones and more whitening if you do it the other one. It doesn't. It's different settings of vibrations. The vibration changes, the rotation of the bristle head changes a little bit. So you're getting a little bit of different changes in your mouth and the feel, but performance wise, I haven't seen a difference in my teeth from one setting to the next. And this toothbrush, as a very big pro, does whiten your teeth, does clean your teeth very well, much better than most toothbrushes. The statements of clinically proven 100% better teeth cleaning than other toothbrushes, I don't know. I think it's kind of snake oil, just like the settings are. There's just different speeds and sounds and vibrations and rotation of the bristle head, but overall it's just cleaning your teeth a little bit differently, but it's just cleaning your teeth. The biggest things you're getting with the higher end OralB toothbrushes is this digital display right here. You can go through your settings. The settings, you can go turning on your Bluetooth, turn off your Bluetooth, which will connect to your phone. And through the phone, it does give you artificial intelligence feedback. It does let you know where you're pushing harder or less hard, or where you didn't clean enough compared to other teeth in your mouth, and it will let you know what you're doing wrong if you need a digital coach. I personally don't need it, but it is there if you want that fancy dancy settings and features. You also have very easy charging. It just lays into a cradle. The bottom, just like all the other OralB toothbrushes, there's not a big change there at all. The toothbrush heads are better than other OralB toothbrushes, but not by much. Just like the other IO series of OralB toothbrushes, it does have a light ring. I believe it's the IO 4 series and up, or 5 series and up, I believe. This light ring will change, and on this one you can change it from multiple different colors as you select through the settings. I do love about it though, just like the IO series 4 and up, they all have this similar feature though. I think the same thing is when you push too hard, this little ring will be red. You push just right amount of pressure, it'll be green. And if you're not pushing hard enough, it'll be white. Overall though, the OralB IO Series 6, you're getting a lot of features with it. Mainly they're all digital display, AI technology, app sensors, and pressure sensors. Check it out if you're looking to spend some high dollars on a really cool toothbrush that definitely gets the job done. But check out the lesser models. They definitely get the job done as well, and it might save you some money.